everybody, it's Neil. Welcome to my camper, and today we're going to take a look at this rechargeable LED glasses bracket coil. Well, what it is it's a magnifying glass thing that you can wear when you're doing like little stuff. Like I'm doing a lot of this little 3D printing stuff, and sometimes I want to examine my prints, and sometimes I want to look at like little screws and pieces and parts and stuff like that. So that's why I got this. So let's check it out and see what's inside here. So we open it up, and there's instructions there. And then here is the little glasses. Here is the little magnifier dealies. A little strap, I guess, for the glasses. The charger. It looks like the charger is micro USB. And then a little cleaning cloth. That's it. Everything else empty in there. So let's check this out. Let's see how it is. I'm going to put on one of these little magnifiers here. It looks like there's different sizes are 1.2 all the way up to 4.5x. So let's try like maybe a 2.5x. So let's see. So I'm guessing the rounded part, like you can kind of see it's got a little bevel to it. The rounded part must be on the outside. And so that's what it looks like there. So you can see me in zoom. Woo! Zoom, 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 my nose. Okay, so that's it. So it looks like it goes into here. Clips in. Okay, so this is what it looks like here. You can see it's got the little rubber pads on the side. I'm guessing this is the little battery pack. Yep. And then there's the little micro USB port for it. And then here's the lights, and you can kind of aim the light by aiming it that way. You can aim the thing there. I'm gonna take off my glasses because it's gonna be like right up on my face. So there, oh wow, so there we go. So now things are zoomed up. Wow, this is nice. I can see things so big. I can totally read all this stuff except for this, because this is in Chinese. I can read the English part. So it looks really cool. Let's see how do I turn the light? Oh, there we go. So there's, oh, and then there's a brighter, and I can aim the light. And let's see, there's a little thing here. Oh, I can make different brightnesses. Oh, pretty nice. There, this is super clear. Wow, this is great. And this is like at 2.5 times. I'm gonna see what it, wow, everything just looks so big. It looks nice. I've never been able to see things so good before. I'm gonna wear these like regular glasses. Wow, this is great. This is gonna be so nice to be able to, wow, my hands. It's gonna be so nice to be able to see things. So I'm gonna try a more stronger one here. So let's take off this one, and I'm gonna put on the strongest one here. This is the 4.5. Let's see if I can see through this. I don't know if these are glass or not, but they're very heavy. And let's see. Whoa, holy mackerel. Okay. Well, I have to hold things closer to see it, but things are super clear up close. The further I get, yeah, it's just, I mean, I can see things, but wow, it really does look good. I would totally be able to do small things for sure. If I was like doing, if I was a nail technician, it would be perfect. Man, I can see every little scratch and scrape on my hands. So this is really cool. I really like this. So I'm gonna, oh yeah, I forgot I left the light on. That's probably why it helped too. But you can see it's got the little lights there. So you keep pushing it to turn it on and off, and that is what it is. And it's super easy, super small, and this is it here. It's the rechargeable LED. I can't even read it without my glasses on. Boy, now looking at that paper, everything's so small. But this is really great. I'm going to put a link to this in the description so you guys can pick one of these up for yourselves. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Probably if you're doing like crafts, like one of those Cricut machines, or like I'm doing my 3D printer stuff and all like that stuff, this would be just ideal for that. Or sewing or anything, man, this would be great. So definitely thumbs up, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye, everyone.